Hello, this is question 8 on your paper 1 from Edexcel June 2023. The A-level paper is a Radians question. So we have figure 1 shows the plan view of a stage. The plan view shows two congruent triangles, ABO and GFO. So these two triangles join to a sector, this one here. And we know a few things. So the angle COE is 2.3 radians, arc length 27.6, so this length here, and AOG is a straight line of length 15 meters, so this is 15 meters. We have to show that OC is 12 meters, so OC, we are looking for this one. We know the length of this arc, and we know this angle, and we know that the arc length is given by this formula. So the length is going to be theta times r when the angle is in radians. So the 27.6 length is going to be the angle, which is 2.3 radians times r. And from here, r is going to be 27.6 divided by 2.3, which is 12. Yeah, that's the first one. Then for B, it says show that the sides of the angle AOB is 0.421 radians to 3 decimal places. So AOB is this angle here, AOB, this angle. We know this angle, we know these are congruent, and we know this is a straight line. So it's going to be pi radians minus 2.3, and then divide by 2, split in 2, yeah? So that angle that we need, I'm going to call it, I don't know, alpha. We know that pi is going to be 2 alpha plus 2 alpha, because we have two of them, yeah? This is alpha as well, plus 2.3. Plus 2.3, which means alpha is going to be pi minus 2.3 divided by 2, and this is 0.421 radians to 3 decimal places. And for C, this one is the one that is a bit longer. Given that the total length of the front of the stage, so B, C, D, E, F is 35, so B, C, D, E, F, so this length, they are giving us this length here, is 35 meters. We have to find the total area. To find the total area, we can already find this area because we know the radius. We found out this was 12, and we know the angle. So this area is easy. Now we need to find the area of these two triangles. This length is half of this one, this 15, so this is going to be 7.5. So this length is 7.5. We know this angle. This angle we know is 0.421 radians. So the only thing we need to find the area of this triangle is going to be this bit here, yeah, because that way we have this side, and the angle in between. This length, we know the whole thing is 35, and this bit is 27.6. So this one is going to be the 35 minus the 27.6 and divide by 2, because I have two sides that are equal to each other, yeah? So BC, to find BC, I'm going to do 35 minus the 27.6, which is 35 minus 27.6 is 7.4. So BC is going to be half that. BC is going to be, well, I'm going to write it, so 7.4 divided by 2, because we have two sides, so it's 3.7, which means the radius, or the length of the triangle, this length of this triangle, OB, is going to be 12 plus 3.7. So OB is going to be 12 plus 3.7, which is 15.7. And now we have a triangle, so if you look at that triangle, really what we have is, I'm going to do it the next page. So we have a triangle, then we are finding that area. So this triangle, we know that this length is 15.7, this angle was 0.421 radians, and this side here was 7.5. So the area of this triangle is going to be 1/2. The names, I'm going to write them. OAB, OAB, OB times OA times sine of the angle in between. So this is going to be 1/2 OB 15.7 times 7.5 times sine in radians. The calculator, please. If not, you will get a different number. So this area is 24.06. Yeah. So the total area, well, we are going to find the area of the sector because we don't have it. So the area of the sector is going to be 1/2 theta r squared. Remember when we have radians, so it's going to be 1/2. I'm finding the area of this sector here. Yeah. So the angle is 2.3 and the radius 12. So angle is 2.3, radius is 12. So this area is 165.6 meters squared. So the total area is going to be the area of that sector plus 2 triangles. Yeah, so it's going to be 165.6 plus 2 times 24.06. This area is 213.72. It says round to something, round to nearest square meter. Yeah, so we are going to round to the nearest whole number. So this is going to be 214 meters square to the nearest whole number. Yeah, and that's it. That's all with this question.